Hero HF Deluxe, a popular model from Hero MotoCorp, is known for its reliability, efficiency, and affordability. Set to remain a significant player in the Indian motorcycle market, the 2026 version of the HF Deluxe promises to continue the legacy of offering value for money with enhanced features and technology that cater to the evolving needs of the modern rider. Designed for daily commuters, the HF Deluxe strikes a balance between performance, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance, making it a solid choice for those seeking a dependable ride. Under the hood, the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe is powered by a 97.2cc air-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. This engine continues Hero's tradition of offering an optimal balance of power and fuel efficiency. The engine produces a peak power of approximately 7.9 bhp and a torque of 8.05 Nm, which is ideal for city commuting and occasional long rides. Paired with a 4-speed constant mesh gearbox, the bike offers smooth and hassle-free gear shifting, making it a convenient choice for both new and experienced riders. One of the standout features of the 2026 HF Deluxe is its impressive fuel efficiency. With rising fuel prices, the demand for motorcycles that offer great mileage has only grown. Hero has ensured that the HF Deluxe stands out with an estimated mileage of around 80 to 85 km/L, making it one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in its segment. This excellent fuel economy, combined with the large fuel tank capacity, ensures that riders can cover long distances without constantly worrying about refueling. The design of the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe is stylish yet practical. The bike comes with modern touches like an updated headlamp, a more refined fuel tank design, and a sleek tail section. The new graphics and paint schemes give the bike a contemporary look while keeping the overall design simple and functional. The bike's dimensions are compact, making it easy to maneuver through traffic, a feature that's essential in India's bustling cities. Additionally, the 2026 model is expected to come with a slightly enhanced suspension setup that improves ride comfort, even on rough and uneven roads. The chassis of the Hero HF Deluxe is built for durability and stability. The bike features a strong tubular double cradle frame that ensures longevity and handling stability. The front suspension is a telescopic fork, while the rear is equipped with twin shock absorbers, providing a smooth ride even when the road conditions are not ideal. The braking system, which includes drum brakes on both ends, is expected to be complemented by the inclusion of a combined braking system, CBS, for improved safety. The 2026 Hero HF Deluxe is also expected to come with advanced features such as an updated instrument cluster with digital elements for better readability. A smart, ergonomic design ensures that riders can easily access important information like speed, fuel level, and trip meter. The addition of an electric start option, which has become a common feature in modern bikes, further adds to the convenience of the rider. Another crucial aspect is the bike's low maintenance cost. Hero MotoCorp is known for its extensive service network and readily available spare parts, ensuring that owners of the HF Deluxe have access to reliable after-sales support. This, combined with the bike's durability, makes it an excellent investment for anyone looking for a low-cost, long-term commuter solution. In conclusion, the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe continues to embody the qualities that have made it a household name in India: reliability, affordability, and efficiency. With subtle design upgrades, enhanced performance features, and improved technology, the 2026 version is a perfect blend of Hero's legacy in the evolving demands of today's motorcycle riders. Whether you're navigating city traffic or taking weekend trips, the HF Deluxe remains an ideal companion for practical motorcyclists.